Hello, my name is Ryan. I create this website called Language Lab, which is going to be this language website that's going to be like a hybrid of Google Translate and like Quizlet, so like a flashcards sort of website. Now, the reason why I created this was because I had an amazing German teacher in my freshman and sophomore year, and he was always really supportive, he was always really nice, so I wanted to return the favor by creating this website. And creating flashcards and speaking German, so not only like understanding the words, but just like speaking and pronouncing these words, really helped me improve my German skills by a lot. And I wanted to see if I can incorporate these features together to try and help other people. So here's the starting page, and these little circles basically explain what the website does. So there's a word-for-word translator, there are text maps whenever you translate a sentence. There are flashcards from recording, so that enhances your speaking skills, but also your vocabulary. And finally, there is a chat bot. And all of these you can apply to the real world. So let's enter. And I'm going to sign in. When you get to the home page, well, you have quite a lot of languages to translate from and to. Let's just say I'm translating from English to German, and then I'm just going to copy and paste like some simple text in here. So you can see that after I copied everything into the translator, it gives you the definition, the part of speech, and the synonyms. Now, if you scroll down, then you can actually see that we have generated this word diagram. Now let's move on to the recording. Hello. How are you? I want 4 flashcards. I want this in German. I generate. Boom. And then I have chatbot that works. For all the translation stuff, I used Fast API. I did all of this in Python, OpenAI, Spacey, Google Trans. And then for my user login page, I used Express and MongoDB. And then it's just mostly React and CSS from there for the rest of my pages. So for example, if I go to the home page, which is the translation page, yeah, it's just a bunch of React stuff, a bunch of HTML stuff, and a bunch of CSS stuff. Thank you guys for watching the video from the bottom of my heart. So this is my first coding project, and just have a great day, guys.